Okay. Here it goes. Mm. Mm. Come on. It's okay. Yeah. Mm. What do you think? What do you think? You want to try some more? Give me another opinion? Come on. Oop. Oh. What do you think? You need some more milk in there? Do I need to make it a little runnier? I don't know. What do you think? Do you like it? Hey, Dad. Okay. Mmm. Wallpaper paste. You gonna try it again? No? What? Okay, let's try a little more. Get it in your mouth. No? What do you think? Oh. Okay, let's do a quick wipe up. It's not the best thing you ever had, huh? Is it the worst? What is it? Bib's better?